Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you a program called DOSBox. And what DOSBox does is it emulates, obviously, DOS, Windows 95, 98, and all that. Certain things people have modified software wise they use this to get to run Windows 98 on various things. So I downloaded the Windows installer, as you'll see. Zoom out a little bit if you can see it. Up here I downloaded it. So what this will do is I can install Windows 98 on it if I want, because DOS runs out behind that. So if you look over here, there is multiple OSs you can run it off of. You can run it off Windows, obviously, Fedora, which is a Linux, Source, another Linux, Mac OS X, which I'll have to do on my Mac. I will do that. Debian, FreeBSD package, RISC OS, Gen 2 Linux, which is a text-based Linux, OS2, which is an IBM OS, Solaris, another Linux, BOS, old DOSBox versions. So I already downloaded it, and we're going to install it. Now, this emulates the old operating system, so which means it's 32-bit. Alright, so as you see over here, I have DOSBox, so I'm going to click on it. So it emulates DOS. So I can emulate CPU speed, Control F11, Control F12, I could do that. So, just like normal DOS, dir, cd, copy, del, exit, mdrd, right. So this will emulate DOS. So if I do copy, let's see what happens. I don't have the proper parameters. So we're going to do dir. This is all the files that are in there. So if I type help again, we'll do cd. I have to see what the DVD drive is on here. So this would be drive H. So I have to push enter. Right? Nothing, because it didn't do anything. So if you do ver, oops, there we go. So now, if you do help, there you go. Choice, go to help. And all that stuff. So this is basically DOS. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do H there you go. If an error occurs, VHV will shut itself down. And these are all the codes you can use. So if I go up here, go to defaults. You can change color, font, layout, colors, and terminal. Go to close. I'll reopen it. And there we go. So if I do Control F11, I can emulate the CPU. I can fix that. So I'm adjusting the CPU speed virtually is what I'm doing. So we'll do Control F1. This will map out all the stuff that you need. But I don't need to map anything out. So we'll do README. Still the legal command. Oh, you can't type it. Sorry, I just realized that. So we'll do dir. Which is boot, so we'll type what I just did was when I did boot, I'm telling it to boot off of something. There's no drive letter specific as of right now that this will boot off of. It tells you right here by pressing Control F4, it specifies the amount of drive to boot from. So if I do Control F4, that's what it'll do. Anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.